These rolls of rhinestone ribbons are a staple in my arts and crafts studio. This pack includes 12 rolls in different sizes. For each size, you get two rolls, and each roll is a yard long with varying widths, including zero point 0.7, zero point 0.9, 1.3, 1.8, 2.2, and 2.5 centimeters. The ribbon is adorned completely with beautiful clear rhinestone pieces set against a very sticky self-adhesive backing, which is also super flexible and can be cut to size. Under the light, the crystal rhinestone ribbon glitters and sparkles, making it a beautiful embellishment for decorating almost any home decor and DIY craft pieces, including napkin ring holders, phones, covers, laptop covers, candle holders, mirrors, DIY tissue box covers, bags, clothing, shoes, canes, and vases.